In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and set up marketing automations with Shopify. Whether you're a seasoned store owner or just starting out, mastering these steps can give your business the boost it needs to streamline processes and enhance customer engagement. So let's dive right into it. First, you want to begin by opening your Shopify admin panel. You'll need to be logged in to access your store's backend. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your store's home dashboard. This area is your control center for everything Shopify, where you can manage orders, inventory, and customers. But today, we're focusing on the marketing aspect, so let's direct our attention to that. From the main menu on the left, you'll want to click on Marketing. It's a simple click, but it opens up a world of possibilities. The marketing section is designed to help you drive sales through Facebook ads, Google campaigns, and more. Here, you can track performance and adjust your strategies on the fly. It's crucial to make the most of these tools to reach a larger audience effectively. Once you're in the marketing section, look for the Automations tab and click on it. Automations can save you tons of time by setting up workflows that trigger specific actions based on customer behaviors or dates. This can be anything from sending a welcome email to a new customer, reminding shoppers about their abandoned carts, or even re-engaging customers who haven't purchased in a while. By automating these processes, you ensure that your customers receive timely communication without you lifting a finger, and can focus more on other areas of your business. Let me share a quick tip here on sites. When setting up automations, always think about the customer journey. Ask yourself where your customer is in their shopping experience and what information or incentive might encourage them to move to the next step. This will help you craft messages and automations that feel personalized and relevant. As you explore the Automations tab, you'll notice several pre-built workflows that you can easily customize to fit your needs. If you prefer starting from scratch, Shopify offers a straightforward interface to create custom automations tailored specifically to your store's requirements. Remember to take advantage of Shopify's analytics to monitor the outcomes of these automations. This feedback will allow you to tweak and perfect your campaigns until they work seamlessly. And there you have it, a quick walkthrough on setting up marketing automations with Shopify. It's all about taking small steps and continuously refining your strategies for the best results. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't hesitate to explore further into Shopify's resources or reach out for more in-depth tutorials. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.